my channel and welcome to today's video. Now, one of the questions that I get asked a lot is, what is it that you use on your skin? And I always be like, I used a number of things on my skin. And the next question is always, so what is it that you are doing to have your skin looking so amazing? And I always answer by, I take care of my skin by following just 3 simple steps. And what those 3 steps are, I always like to exfoliate, and I tend to exfoliate my skin at least 2 to 3 times per week. I like to do a facial mask, and I do that at least 2 to 3 times a week. I also always wear a facial toner, and above that I normally do a serum and a moisturizer. Now, if you're out there and you're like, that is like so much to do, what I'm going to do for you today to simplify it is to share with you just 3 quick and easy recipe that you can use to have your skin looking amazing. Simple ingredient, simple step. I'm going to show you an exfoliator. I'm going to give you a quick and easy facial mask. I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy facial toner that you can use on a regular without really much effort. And also, guys, if you have oily skin, if you have dry skin, if you find your skin with a lot of large pores, if you're looking to tighten and firm the skin, and if you're looking for a glowing skin, just to have that skin radiant, all this combination is going to take care of all of these once used on a regular. So what are you waiting for? Come with me in the kitchen and I'll show you how to take care of this in 1, 2, 3. The first step for beautiful skin is to exfoliate your skin, and I recommend exfoliating your skin at least 2 to 3 times per week. There are simple ingredients that you can use to exfoliate your skin, such as this one that I'm sharing. The first ingredient is lemon. Lemon provides a dose of free radical fighting antioxidant such as vitamin C. Lemon can be used as a skin astringent, and it helps motivate your pores to close and your face to tighten, resulting in smoother looking skin. It also helps to lighten and brighten the skin. The next ingredient is a very basic but a very effective ingredient for exfoliating your skin, and that is brown sugar. However, if you do not have brown sugar, you could substitute the brown sugar for white sugar, rice, and even baking soda. Now, brown sugar deep cleanses your skin by removing grime and germs from within the skin pores. Brown sugar contains glycolic acid, a powerful alpha hydroxy acid that help expel toxin and bacteria from the pores. Now, to make this simple exfoliator, we're going to use 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a half of a medium lemon. We're just going to squeeze the lemon juice, just a little of the juice in the brown sugar, give it a stir, and our exfoliator is now ready. For this exfoliator, you can use it on your face, your neck, your décolleté. As a matter of fact, you could use this to exfoliate your entire body. So what you want to do, you want to exfoliate your skin in circular motion. And you're going to do this for about a minute or so. Just focus on the rough areas on your face, such as your nose and the side of your face. Also, focus on your dark neck. Just exfoliate and then rinse with some cold water. Then once you're done with that, you dry the skin and move on to step number 2. Moving on to step number 2, and I recommend 2 to 3 times per week, interchangeable with your facial scrub, and this is in the form of a facial mask. And there are different types of facial masks for different purposes. However, today I'm going to be sharing a tightening, firming facial mask. This facial mask is going to help to get rid of large pores. It's going to shrink those pores, and it's going to tighten and firm your skin. The first ingredient is Fuller's Earth, and Fuller's Earth is a clay. Any form of a clay mask that you have is going to be good for your skin. Now, Now, Fuller's Earth contains oil absorbing properties. It helps to clear the skin of spots and blemishes. It fights acne and pimples. It reduces scars. Most of all, it improves skin elasticity. It removes dead skin from your surface of the skin, and it also treats oily skin. And guess what? It also helps to remove blackheads and whitehead. And overall, wonderful, wonderful ingredient to use on your skin. Now, as I mentioned, if you do not have Fuller's Earth, go ahead and use any form of a clay mask for this purpose. Now, the second ingredient I'm going to be mixing with the Fuller's Earth is lemon. And you already know that lemon contains vitamin C, antioxidant, skin brightening properties. So I'm just going to squeeze some lemon in the Fuller's Earth, which is about 1 tablespoon of the Fuller's Earth. You do not need a lot, and you're just gonna mix this in a nice paste. Now, if you need a little more lemon juice, go ahead and pour it in. If you have sensitive skin, you can also use some rose water instead of the lemon juice. Now, to use this as a facial mask, you're going to apply it on your skin, preferably in circular motion like I'm showing here, and just leave it on your skin for about 30 minutes. It's going to dry on the skin, and then you are going to rinse this off with some warm water. Use a facial mask, as I mentioned, 2 to 3 times per week for best result. And now we're going to move on to the final step, and that is a facial toner. I recommend using a facial toner every time you wash your face, at least 2 times per day. Now take a look at a very simple and basic facial toner. Here I have 2 ingredients. I have apple cider vinegar and I have rose water. You can also choose to use the rose water by itself. So to make this basic facial toner, I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. If you have sensitive skin, add a tablespoon of water to that. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of rose water. You can also choose to use a little bit more rose water, and then you just give this a stir. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent and skin toner that helps cleanse your skin by removing oils and dirt from clogged pores. It helps tighten your skin and restore the skin natural pH balance. Now, to use this simple toner, and excuse my hands from the Fuller's Earth, you're going to just dip a cotton pad in. You're going to wipe it for about a minute. You can also choose to put this in a spray bottle and spritz it on your face, and this you're not going to rinse off. You're just going to leave this on your skin to hair dry for about 3 minutes. And there you have it, guys. This is what you do on a regular to have beautiful skin. So there you have it. Simple, easy, a very, very easy ingredient that most people could find, you know, just about anywhere. If you do not have the Fuller's Earth, use any form of a clay you have. If you do not have any clay, you could go ahead and you can use some cornstarch and just add the same ingredient to it and make yourself an awesome facial mask. Thank you all for watching. Now, if you like this video, guys, please comment below and tell me which of the 3 parts do you like best. Which remedy? Do you like the exfoliator? Do you like the facial mask? Or do you prefer the facial toner? And if you like all 3, then just give the video a thumbs up, share your comment, and guess what, guys? If this was your first time watching, you want to see more of these quick and easy skincare tips, then look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, if you want to get a notification every time I post a video, just click on the bell beside the word subscribe, and also check your phone and turn your notification on your phone. Guys, I also have a show, and this is every Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, where we talk about skincare, like what is going on in the skincare world today, all the wonderful, amazing facial oils and treatment and serums and facial masks, you name it. We discuss it on Let's Talk Skincare. So join me every Friday, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for our series, Let's Talk Skincare with Khichibeauty. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.